Hey everyone, welcome back. Well, we've been making good progress on the car. We've been putting the interior in, moving back to front, and part of getting that done is coloring some components that you had to find, replace, what have you. The dash pads in these cars are notorious for, well, looking like that, right? They split, the vinyl dries out, the foam gets really brittle, and they become junk, right? So you have to either send yours out to be redone, or if you find a good one, you can recolor it. We've all seen the sprays out on the market. There's Duplicolor, there's Rust-Oleum, SEM. So what I've done is I found a good dash pad. It's a dark brown, and I'm going to use the SEM Color Coat, Landau Black, and we're going to change its color, pop it in the car. Now, along with that, there's other components you may have that are in really good shape, but they're the wrong color for your interior. Like my seats. I have all the hard metal for seats for my car, but they're cream colored, they're white. So they got to be painted to match as well. So we're going to do a couple things and follow along. Now to test, this is another dash pad I had. This was in better shape than the other one. There's some cracks in here, but this nice section was in really good shape. So I cleaned it up, and as a test, put the SEM Color Coat on here, and it looks really nice. So I'm good with that. So we'll be putting a little color on the brown one, change its color. We're going to use some acetone and get the dash pad cleaned up and prepared for the SEM Color Coat flexible coating. This is Landau Black, and it's going to have a nice cover to this. It's not going to be shiny, it's not going to be glossy or semi-gloss. It's going to give a nice finish, so that way the sun's not reflecting in your eyes off this. This is good stuff, so let's get this cleaned up. Now this is not just cleaning it. As I understand, this also conditions this old vinyl so it can accept the new color. Look at that. So what you really want to do is make sure you get this very clean. It's going to take a couple different passes with the rag. Get it all cleaned off. I mean, you have years of dirt, grime, Armor All, other spray cleaners kind of stuck to and embedded into these dash pads over the years. And you need to clean it all up so the paint really sticks well. So it takes a little time. Just get it all cleaned up nice, and then you can start spraying the color. Now I'm going to spin this around because I want to do the edges, top edges first and bottom edge. That way I make sure I get a nice coating on those, because then I'll flip it over when it's dry and then do the full front. Shake it, shake it, shake it, baby. And we're going to do a couple of quick light coats, let them dry before we do another coat after that. That's about 3 coats all the way around on this piece. It looks great. And here's the original black dash pad with just, you know, basically 1 coat on there. I mean, that looks really good. I'm happy. I don't have any cracks. And I have the right color. Bonus. Here's our dash pad all installed. You can see how nice that looks. I mean, that turned out really good. Got one of my seat bottoms here all cleaned up, prepared, wiped down with the acetone, and I've chrome taped off, so we're going to give this one a nice coat of the SEM Color Coat. I left the other one over here uncleaned. This chrome's nasty. It's got to be done. I'm just going to leave that there as a comparison. Well, that's it. Pretty straightforward. Clean the stuff up. Use the paint of choice. Now I use the SEM, and I'm not getting paid for this. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is what I chose to use after following the advice of another YouTube channel, Old School Automotive Upholstery. This gentleman has been doing automotive and other kinds of upholstery for over 40 years and is sharing his knowledge with what he's learned over his lifetime of this career with everybody else. And this is what he recommends. He says use acetone to clean these parts up. It doesn't just clean them, it also prepares the surface for adhesion of the color coat. So that's why I use the acetone to clean the parts. That's why I use the SEM, because that was his recommendation. Are there other ones out there? Yes. That's what I'm using, because it works great. I mean, you saw the dash pad. These pieces are done. I mean, before and after. I got to do these yet, but it works great. So that's what I'm going to be using. You can use this on your armrest pads too. It's designed for flexible coating, so when you have something that has a little foam in it and it flexes, works pretty good. These are hard parts, but it's still vinyl. And honestly, this is a vinyl wrap that they put on at the factory. So you could, in theory, rewrap these with a black vinyl on top of it, but I decided to go with the color coat. Works for me, simple and done. Hey, smash that like button, and if you like what we're doing here on the channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.